Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to provide an update on QuantumScape stock. Since reaching its highs around 2021, the stock is down more than 95% off that high. Additionally, the stock is down more than 50% in 2023 alone. So I know that has a lot of investors asking, what's going on with QuantumScape stock? So I thought I would make a brief video kind of highlighting what's going on at QuantumScape to answer some of those questions. So let's begin. So CEO and co-founder Jagdeep Singh gave an update to investors on April 26 regarding what's going on at the company. So let's start here. As you might recall, last year we shipped a variety of prototype cells for testing the prospective automotive and consumer electronics customers. And we're happy to report today that the planned testing is now complete and in line what we reported in our last letter. Most cells performed well. So if you're not aware yet, QuantumScape is working on battery charging technology that could go into EVs and consumer electronics. And for EVs specifically, it provides an improved charging time as well as longer lasting batteries, which could significantly improve the adoption of EVs, which would then significantly improve demand for the batteries and so on, and it could feed into this positive virtuous cycle. However, the company is still in testing stages, meaning it's not making sales yet. It's still what's called pre-revenue. So I just wanted to provide that background as we go into this video. So, however, we have work to do to improve reliability as we transition from prototype to commercial product. So there's a lot of work to do to bridge that gap. On the consumer electronics front, we can report customer testing is also complete with the cells performing very well on a broad range of electrical performance and characterization tests. So excellent, the tests are going well. That's good news for investors. A material used during separator heat treatment step was identified as a source of contamination, and we've begun the transition to a different material and are already seeing encouraging results in reducing particle count and improving quality and consistency. So it's nice that they identified this friction point and working to fix it, but it also highlights the riskiness of QuantumScape stock in that it's not yet finalized commercial development and selling a product into the market, which makes it very, very risky. Now, if you're a investor that's looking for a high risk, high reward, then QuantumScape might be right for you. But I wanted to highlight that it is a very high risk stock. So one of the key goals, they've targeted some goals for 2023, which were designed to facilitate their transition from technology to commercial product. This year, they plan to make significant product and could potentially have a product for sale by the end of the year, although that's um, the likelihood is not certain that they will hit that point. So when it comes to power performance, we believe an important benefit of our solid state lithium metal system is the ability to deliver high rates of power even in a high energy cell design, a combination that lends itself well to high performance applications such as electric vehicles, right? Cars require very high performance, and this can be a perfect application for its technology should it come to fruition, should it prove that it is reliable and it can be manufactured at large scale consistently. It could be a game changer. It could be a game changer. That's why there is so much interest in QuantumScape stock. Its technology is innovative, to be sure. Now, it's not the only one developing technology to improve the EV battery industry. There's a lot of room for growth. Right now, EVs could take up to 30 minutes to charge when you compare with gasoline cars, which, you could fill up your gas tank in a little less than 3 minutes or 2 minutes, depending on, if there's a line or not. So that's the big barrier between one of the big barriers between consumers adopting electric vehicles. And so if this solid state lithium to EV technology proves effective, that could create a boost in how many consumers are willing to buy electric vehicles, which would then create a boost for more of its batteries and so on. And it could be a hugely positive virtuous cycle for QuantumScape investors. So that's all I've got for this brief video, kind of updating what's going on with QuantumScape stock. If you want to know more, I've got more videos on my channel, so search around and dig deeper if you are interested in QuantumScape stock. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.